Hello Python programmers. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a Bluetooth port scanner using Python. So first of all, let's understand that what is a Bluetooth port scanner. So what this program will do is it will search for all the active Bluetooth device which are present around you. Okay. So this is not a project in itself. I mean, it's very clear, but if you add this in a project, in a bigger project, then it can become a very cool feature. Like, let's say that you're working on a personal assistant app, right? So you can add this feature and connect it with the voice recognition and say something like, "Oye Raju, jitne Bluetooth hain, wo show kar," which means in English that, "Hey Raju, show me all the active Bluetooth devices around me." Also, by the way, in case you want me to create a full-fledged personal assistant app, you can either go to my poll section and poll yes or no, or you can simply comment down below. Okay, now moving ahead. Now the first task is to install the package. So quickly open CMD and simply write pip install PyBlues. Now for me, this package is already installed, but you have to install this. In case you are having any problem installing this package, what you can do is you can go to your favorite browser and search for Python unofficial uh, libraries. Google this, and actually it should be binaries. And why am I using Yahoo? Anyway, binary, unofficial binary, and go to this website. I'll provide the link in the description also, and search for the package that you want to install. Like, I am looking for PyBlues. So what I'll do is I'll go to find and write PyBlues here. PyBlues. There you go. And download the wheel package according to your system and just install it. Okay, now you have successfully installed the package. Now let's get to our editor and start writing our code. Okay, so before we move ahead, let's have a word from our today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by Unacademy. Are you a student or a working professional who is looking for a great career in software development? Then you have to think about these aspects, like what's trending in the industry and the kind of questions being asked in the interview. What's the thought process behind the architecture of great applications like Google, Amazon, Zomato, and Ola, and how to improve your core chef ranking? So to achieve all these goals, what you need to do is you need to go to unacademy.com/goals/career as a software developer. I'll provide this link in the description. And first, let's talk about the host or the mentors of these courses. Now, these hosts are working with some of the top companies like Google, Amazon, to name a few. They are 7-star coders on CodeChef and are industry experts with years of experience. And what they'll do is they'll walk you through their own industry experience and interact with a lot of guests like HR and industry leaders of top companies, where they'll ask questions raised by you. Now, this was about the mentors. Let's go to the live sessions and see what they have to offer for you. Now, in these live episodes, you'll get an opportunity to ask Tech HR about top 20 questions and industry leaders directly about their recruitment process in startups and multinational companies. What is the eligibility and how to apply and how they build such great projects. And not only this, you can participate in mock interviews and learn courses on programming languages, blockchain and crypto, cloud computing, tech aspects of digital marketing, data analysis, and many more. Have you wondered about what questions are asked in top product company interviews? If the answer is yes, then we have a show where host Love will walk through top interview questions usually asked for companies like Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, and LinkedIn, and how to solve them and respond in such a way that helps you in cracking job interview. Now, what are the unique selling points of this course? You will get a chance to come live with Love and get your queries resolved on the spot. Now, who is this show for? If you are a college student looking to get placed in top product companies, or if you're a working professional looking to switch, then this show is for you. Now, you must be thinking that you have to pay a hefty price for courses like this, but no. you have to pay 999 rupees per month to get access to all of these codes. But wait, there is more. If you use my code Harshit Roy, you will get an additional 10% off. Let me show you. You need to just write Harshit Roy and click apply, and you'll get an instant 100 rupees off. So all the links will be provided in the description. Definitely check them out, and let's move on to our next project. Okay, so now we are into our editor. So first thing that you have to do is you have to install the required package, which is Bluetooth. So PyBlues was the package name, but when we are importing it, the name is Bluetooth. Just like the package name is OpenCV Python, but when we import it, we import with the name of CV2. Then after importing the package, we have to call this class. Okay, we have to call the discover devices class from this Bluetooth package, and lookup names is equal to true, which means that we are also looking for names. We want the names of the Bluetooth devices, not only their address. Okay, then this devices variable will have the value of all the Bluetooth devices around us. Now let's print those values. So for ADR and name in devices, so it will have two values. First is address, then we have name. We are creating a for loop to iterate into this devices variable, and then we are printing the address and the names. Now let me quickly run this program. Looking for Bluetooth devices. Now it will take some time to search for all the devices. There you go. Okay, so the first one is having no name. Then the Boat Rockers 380, this is mine. AirDops 121, this is mine. This is mine, and I don't know this one. Okay, so pretty cool. This was a short video in which I have shown you that how you can create a Bluetooth port scanner using Python. And this is it. And I'll meet you in my next lecture where we'll create something more awesome. Okay, so meet you there. Bye bye.